In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Zscaler platform, specifically focused on our Zscaler AI security offering, how we provide visibility and control of AI. We're witnessing the largest technological shift of our generation. We can think of these as mega waves. In the 90s, the internet was one of those that provided huge technological shifts where we could see businesses go online, the start of e-commerce, etc. In the 2000s, we had the growth of mobility solutions where we could be more agile and actually leverage things like laptops and smartphones to run apps and actually have functions, and the advent of cloud where we saw an increase of IT transformation where we could leverage these hosted services by cloud providers such as Amazon and many others. This drove a lot of different transformation projects for IT, app transformation, network transformation, and security transformation. And now we're in the world of a huge transformational shift with AI. It's rapidly expanding and evolving much faster than any of the other mega waves that we had beforehand. We've seen predictive AI move to generative AI to agentic AI, and today a world of autonomous agents running around. This definitely requires a mindset change. The Zero Trust Exchange is a globally distributed platform offered by Zscaler, cloud native, and we started our journey around securing traffic from users going to internet and SaaS by providing a mechanism to secure all traffic going to those destinations. Over time, we expanded to provide zero trust network access for our internal applications that exist in our private data centers or public cloud, taking those concepts to the branch where we potentially may not be able to run an endpoint agent. We can provide a virtualized or physical appliance that provides zero trust network access for things that we wouldn't typically run an agent on, like our printers, cameras, workloads, etc. And then we expanded into the cloud with Zero Trust Cloud, providing that workload to internet or workload to workload segmentation with Zero Trust network access principles, and even enhanced it with microsegmentation, where we can run a lightweight agent on the workloads and provide microsegmentation. In the world of AI, of course, we're going to be talking about Zero Trust for our AI agents. On the left-hand side, we have AI for security, where we take AI technology to enhance the offerings we do around cybersecurity, data security, and agentic SecOps. From a securing AI standpoint, we have available today AI asset management, where we discover AI assets that exist on your endpoint, inline, public cloud, and repos, understanding that AI footprint because you can't secure what you can't see. So fundamentally, getting visibility is a key step as part of your AI security journey. We also provide secure access to AI apps. So if you think about your users going to these public destinations like Gemini or OpenAI, Anthropic, whatever the case may be, we want to provide not just the visibility, but also the controls to ensure that we're providing threat protection, inline data security. We've also developed an AI platform called Guardrails, which provides intent-based detection. We call these detectors that are trained on small language models that we provide in a configuration and apply in a policy so that we can understand the intent of what a user is doing when they interact with these Gen AI tools, make sure that we're not losing intellectual property, that we're not leveraging those tools for just things that we would typically do a Google search for example. So making sure that we good efficient use and secure use of our Gen AI tools, and obviously blocking the ones that we don't want to allow access to. When we are building our own AI apps and agents, the secure AI apps and infrastructure is key, where we can provide red teaming to pen test the AI apps and agents that you're building, as well as MCP servers now. And we can also provide the ability to run guardrails for those components as they go into production. So really securing you across the software development lifecycle as part of a CI/CD pipeline, to ensure that we can do the testing and guardrails enforcement to secure those AI apps and agents. AI has certainly changed us. It's changed the way that we interact with our IT tools and how we do our daily tasks today. We've seen a proliferation of different AI components and assets exposed over the last 2 years, faster than any other technology that we've seen. Chatbots evolving to AI apps, to AI agents, so many different vendors in this space bringing out different tools and agents to provide some sort of AI function or feature that customers can leverage. So customers could potentially be running endpoint agents or AI agents in cloud or private data centers. It's very important, obviously, to be able to understand the risks and understand the sprawl and make sure that we're not getting data leakage. So AI sprawl is often a concern raised by customers because that could inherently expand the attack surface and lead to things like data exposure. From a posture management point of view, a lot of traditional tools don't really understand the posture of AI components and what they have access to. From an AI inspection point of view, a lot of traditional tools don't understand intent-based interaction with these models. So when users are putting things in the prompts, it's important to understand the intent. We can do that through guardrails by training small language models based on specific data sets to understand the intent of what a user is doing when they input something into a prompt or an agent that's leveraging an AI tool. And in the world of AI agents, a lot of concerns around how this is growing to autonomous agents that can spin up sub-agents. And it's moving so fast that there's not clearly defined security frameworks for a lot of these. And of course, getting visibility and control is really, really important to customers. So Zscaler was really built for this. We covered our Zero Trust Exchange platform that's really powerful, and we enhanced it with some capabilities around AI gateway functionality to be an MCP broker and A2A gateway for our agents. We have today available our AI asset management capabilities to discover assets on the endpoint inline to public Gen AI destinations or embedded AI and SaaS. We can provide AI access security to secure the user traffic that's going to these Gen AI tools by inspecting the prompts, by either allowing, blocking, adding browser isolation, inline data security, and of course, our AI guardrails to really secure all activity with Gen AI tools. We can provide those guardrails as well for our AI apps and agents that we're building, as well as doing red teaming. Think of red teaming as pen testing on the AI apps or agents, running lots of different security tests against it, like cross-site scripting attacks, phishing attacks, etc. And then on the AI access graph side, we acquired a company called Symmetry Systems. The reason we did this in this world of AI, especially understanding identity, is key. AI access graph technology gives us the ability to understand non-human identities, understand the context of the identity, understand if there's overprivileged access, what the lineage is to data resources, so that we can make sure that we block any risks based on that identity profile, whether that's an agent or workload, for example. And then we've doubled down on AI endpoint security by providing deeper granular visibility and control on the endpoint so we can fully block things like rogue agents, models, skills, etc. So we have inherently a single platform to make every tool, agent, and model very visible, governed, and secure.